Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Honda CRV 2008 oil life, only way. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and locate the select/reset button on the dash. Press and hold that button until the oil life percentage begins to blink, then release it and press once more to confirm the reset. If the display returns to 100%, the procedure is complete and you can restart normally. Start by ensuring the vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged, then switch ignition to on without starting. Locate the small select/reset button near the instrument cluster and press it firmly until the oil life percentage begins to blink. After the blink, release and press the button one more time to confirm the reset to 100%. If the display fails to blink, turn ignition off and repeat the steps slowly to avoid missteps. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during shop time and roadside checks. They're tough like a well-serviced CRV and worth the investment. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When the reset does not work, first inspect the select/reset button for grime or damage that could block contact. Low battery voltage can also cause the dash not to register presses, so ensure the battery is in good condition. If repeated careful attempts still fail, it is wise to consult a mechanic who can diagnose electrical or display faults. This avoids guessing and keeps your maintenance records accurate for future service visits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.